Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So in today's video we are going to talk about the tree views, how we can decorate the tree views and what are the different attributes that we can use for the tree views. So tree views can take supplementary attributes to further customize their behavior. Uh, we can decorate the tree views, the records of the tree views. We can change the text color, the text font size, and styling. So doing so, we can do it using decoration. So decoration attribute is used to use like on the basis of some conditions, and the format is here like decoration and then the name of the attribute. So for example, if you want to make it font bold, you will have to use BF decoration BF. That will allow you to change the text font on the basis of some condition. So here are some other attributes that you can use in the condition, which we will explain it through an example. So like UID, which means the current logged in user ID. Today is like the current date, uh, and which will be in this format, and then now is the current date and time. So it is the extension with the time. So name can be a BF, which means font weight, and IT means italic, and you can also use other bootstrapped colors, which is danger info muted etc. So this is like the tree view format, and here how we can use the decoration like decoration info. So make the tree view text info if the state is equal to draft. So this is the condition. Here you can add the condition, and here you can add the attribute. So this is how you can use it. So we will apply it on our module, which we have already developed, like Open Academy. So the next attribute is editable, which we will also discuss about it. So the exercise for today is modify the sessions tree view in such a way that session lasting less than 5 days are colored blue, and the ones lasting more than 15 days are colored red. So let me just start Odoo service, and then let me show you uh, the list view of the session. So here, first of all, we will have to go to the views, and then views.xml file, and here we need to find the tree view for the session model, which is this one. So here is the tree view. So once let's just once restart the service completely. Okay, so it just takes some time first time. Okay, so this is the session tree view. So here we want to add like the decoration on the basis of this duration. So let me just add a condition here. So here we need to add the decoration here, like what we can see here. So for example, we want to make it decoration info, okay, and like this. So decoration info and then double quotes. So here we need to add the conditions, like what condition we want to define here. So we need to make it like if duration is equal to um, if duration is equal to we can say like 2 days, okay, like this. So we can say like duration is equal to 2 days. So let me just upgrade this module, and then let's see the result. Okay, and let me go to apps, click the upgrade button to upgrade the module, and then we will refresh uh, this view. Okay, so let me refresh it. So here you can see it is like the view of this is different. So the color for this one is different. So let me make it bold, BF, instead of just changing the color. So and then every time I change anything in the XML, I will have to upgrade the module. Let me do it in this case. So the module has been is getting upgraded. So let me just refresh this page. So here you can see the text is bold in this case, and in this case also, because the duration is 2 and in this case it is 1, so it is different. So the same way, and we can apply multiple conditions for this one. So for example, you want to make it a duration pool, and we also want to make it a duration like a red. Okay, so if you want to make it danger if duration, so for the same condition we can apply multiple attributes. Okay, so let me try to upgrade the module again like this, and then we will see the change again. Okay, and the same way we can use these attributes. So I will show you how you can use it. So here you can see it is red and bold, and this one, so it is in the normal text format. So if you want to use, for example, this one, so UID means like the current user ID. So you can add a condition, something like if you want to show the records of the current user in a different text format, so you can just use it like this. And today, so let me just add a condition here on the basis of the start date. So if the start date is today, then we want to make it like something different. Okay, so let me just add what we want to add here. We want to add here like okay, success. Let me add success. So decoration success, and here we want to add like if the start date is equal to today, like this. So this is how simply you can use it. If start date is equal to today date, then make it decoration success. Okay, so let me try to upgrade the module, and then we will after the module upgrade we will restart this page, and then we will be able to see the change. Okay, so the page has been reloaded, so currently we cannot see any change. So let me just try to change the current date of this record. So let me make it March, sorry, it is April 2nd, and then let me save it. So just go back. So here you can see the color of this is no different. So if we make the date future date and then back, so here you can see the normal text. So and the next attribute is like now, so you can use the now attribute in case that the field is daytime. Okay, so the other attribute is editable. So edit for the editable you can use two options, top or bottom, which makes the tree view editable without opening the form view. So currently if you want to edit this record, so we will have to go to the form view and then we can edit it. But here is an option if you want to make it editable just by clicking here. So for this purpose we will have to use this attribute like editable, so bottom. Okay, so if we add editable bottom, so when we will click on the create button, a new record will be created at the bottom. So let me upgrade this module. Okay, and update it, and then we will see this change. Okay, Okay, refresh this page. So the page is refreshed now. So if you click on the create, so here you can see a new uh, a new record, like a new row added here at the bottom. And if we click on any record, it will allow us to edit here. So if I change it back to the current date, so you can see the color is also changing accordingly. So this is how the text or the tree attributes are used to decorate the tree view. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and if you learned something new, so please hit the like button and also share with your friends. Thank you.